Michael Karn, Commissioner in the great city of Oakland Park. Happy to be here with,
Tom Green, representing the city of Wilton Manors.
and we understand that both of our cities are going to be participating in a bike ride demonstration. We're all about safe streets. We encourage everybody to go down Andrews Avenue from Oakland Park to Prospect. You'll be impressed.
We're very happy with the redesign and reconstruction of Wilton Drive. It has made a state road into a city street. It is more walkable, it is more bikeable.
We're proud to be sponsors with the Safe Street Summit. We believe that our citizens deserve safety on our roadways. We believe in multimodal methods to use our roadways, and we're happy to do what we can.
Thank you, everybody.
We'll
see you at the 2020 Safe Street Summit.